Imagine this. You are in a windowless room, just you and a wall clock. The hands move, tick-tock, tick-tock. 5 minutes pass, or so it seems. But what if that clock stops? Would time cease to exist? Now, think of an exciting moment, like a roller coaster ride. It barely lasts seconds, but feels eternal. Why? Maybe time is not what you think, but a mental construct, a way for our mind to make sense of changes. Time, as we know it, might be nothing more than an illusion. And here's where science gives us a fascinating clue: Einstein's theory of relativity. According to this theory, time and space are interconnected in a dimension called spacetime. But here's the interesting part: this connection is not fixed or universal. Time can change depending on how you move and the gravity you experience. For instance, imagine you have a twin and you stay on Earth while they travel in a spaceship at speeds close to light. Upon their return, you might have aged years, while for them, only months have passed. This phenomenon is called time dilation and happens because, at extreme speeds, time slows down. But you don't have to go to space to see this in action. The GPS satellites we use every day are constantly adjusting their clocks because time in orbit runs differently than time on Earth due to the combination of their speed and the lower gravity they experience. Without these corrections, our locations could be off by kilometers. So, what does all this mean? That time is not absolute. It is not a universal constant that we all experience the same way. It is flexible, relative, and depends on your movement, where you are, and the forces acting on you. Essentially, time is not a flow that governs our lives, but a perception relative to change and movement happening around us. If time does not exist as we imagine, what does this mean for us? Maybe time is just our way of measuring change, a tool to make sense of our experience in the universe. But this idea doesn't make it any less important. Without time, we wouldn't have memories or planning. However, understanding its relativity invites us to live more in the present, enjoying each moment as unique. So next time you look at a clock, ask yourself, are you seeing time or just change? Let us know your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to explore more mysteries of the universe.